Welcome everyone. Good morning. You all are through with the topic of nouns. If you are given a word, a naming word, you can very well describe it. Now, in today's lesson, we will learn how to recognize a particular naming word through descriptions. All kinds of naming words can be deciphered from the descriptions related to them, be it a common name, a proper name, a material, an abstract, or a collective name. Today, we will learn how to make out words through their descriptions. Now, give a common name for each of these places. Let us have these examples here. Name a place for storing grains. Yes, correct, it's granary. A place for entertaining guests. Drawing room. A place for keeping birds. Aviary. A platform at the harbor or on river for loading or unloading ships. Yes, it's wharf. Name the person who works for an employer. Employee. A person who receives stolen goods. Fence. A person who writes letters and keeps records for an employer. The person is secretary. A person who sells jewels, watches, silverware is a jeweler. Apart from these common names, we can even have a particular noun for a collection of people. A people listening to a concert. A large number of people listening to a concert is known as audience. People attending a church service. Congregation. People elected from the general members for a special purpose. They form a committee. People who are noisy, unmannerly, and out of control. Rabble. Moving towards abstract nouns, we can decipher the quality as follows. The quality of being extremely cheeky is named impudence. The amount of surface, area, imitation in order to equal or excel. It is called emulation. The quality or fact of being plentiful or large is called abundance. An intense feeling of fear, shock, or disgust is known by the word horror. Now you have an exercise. You have to give nouns for the following descriptions. Don't worry, you are being given a few hints. The questions for you are: name a place for keeping a collection of books. Name a place where stones are dug. A place where a river broadens and enters a sea. Name a person, a woman who has never married. What is the state of saving trouble? Think of an instrument used for viewing objects in space, where you are very aware of the object that opens a lock. Yes, that was an easy one for you. What is the quality of being able to wait calmly? What are the people called who are elected to govern a town or a country? Naming word for a risky or a daring undertaking. A machine that applies power to some work is given what name? The state of exclusion of something or someone. What is the feeling of wonder or pleasure? Think of the vehicle that can travel over land as well as water. And children, you have hints as patience, venture, removal, counsel, engine, hovercraft, admiration, estuary, convenience, quarry, telescope, key, spinster, and library. Thank you.